Hello guys, want to set up your Reolink camera on Wi-Fi for a wireless connection? It's actually pretty simple once you follow the right steps. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect your Reolink camera to Wi-Fi quickly and securely. So, step 1 is powering on the camera. So start by plugging in your Reolink Wi-Fi camera using the provided power adapter. Wait for the camera to power up completely. Usually, you'll hear a short chime or see indicator lights turn on when it's ready. Step 2 is downloading the Reolink application. So install the Reolink application from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, sign up or log in. Then the app is essential for connecting your camera to Wi-Fi and managing all camera settings directly from your phone. Now, step 3 is adding the camera to the application. So tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Then scan the QR code on your camera to link it with your Reolink account. Once scanned, you will see the setup options to move forward with Wi-Fi configurations. Now, step 4 is selecting Wi-Fi setup option. So when prompted, choose the Wi-Fi setup method and make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully as incorrect passwords will prevent this connection. Step 5 is connecting the camera to Wi-Fi. So the app will now send Wi-Fi details to the camera. You might hear a voice prompt confirming the Wi-Fi connection process. Wait for the camera to announce connection to the router succeeded or show connected status in the app. Now step 6 is positioning the camera. So once connected, place your camera where you want it, but ensure that it stays within the range of your Wi-Fi signal. Weak signals can cause lags or disconnections. So test the live feed in the app to confirm stable coverage. Finally, adjust motion alerts, recording schedules, and camera angles to fit your needs. Test the live view and playback features to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working smoothly without drops. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.